Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is a unit of computer memory equal to 1024 bytes? Is it A. Megabyte, B. Gigabyte, C. Kilobyte, or D. Terabyte? The answer is C. Kilobyte.
A kilobyte, equal to 1024 bytes, was once considered a significant amount of memory. To put it in perspective, the entire Apollo 11 guidance computer had just about 64 kilobytes of memory, less than what a single modern email attachment might require.
Question 2. What is pedology the study of? Is it A. Children's behavior and development, B. The anatomy of the cardiovascular system, C. Male health and disease, or D. Religion? The answer is A. Children's behavior and development.
Pedology, the study of children's behavior and development, delves into the fascinating world of how kids think, learn, and grow. This field helps us understand everything from tantrums to teenage angst, revealing that even the smallest minds are incredibly complex and endlessly intriguing.
Question 3. What is economic geology the study of? Is it A. is concerned with earth materials that can be utilized for economic and/or industrial purposes, B. fossils of ancient life, C. bryophytes, or D. the structure of cells? The answer is A. is concerned with earth materials that can be utilized for economic and/or industrial purposes.
Economic geology delves into the treasure trove of Earth's resources, from precious metals like gold and silver to essential minerals used in smartphones and renewable energy technologies. This field not only fuels economies but also drives innovation, making it a cornerstone of modern civilization's progress and sustainability.
Question 4. What is the major subdivision of a genus or subgenus? Is it A. species, B. family, C. class, or D. order? The answer is A. species.
In the grand hierarchy of biological classification, a species is the major subdivision of a genus or subgenus. It's like the ultimate VIP club where members share not just similar traits but also the ability to interbreed and produce fertile offspring, making them nature's true family units.
Question 5. What is planktology the study of? Is it A. society, B. interactions among organisms and the water cycle, C. plankton, or D. the Islam? The answer is C. plankton.
Planktology, the study of plankton, dives into the microscopic world of these tiny drifters that form the foundation of aquatic food chains. Despite their minuscule size, plankton produce over half of Earth's oxygen and play a crucial role in carbon cycling, making them unsung heroes of our planet's ecosystems.
Question 6. Which insect transmits dengue fever, encephalitis, and dog heartworm? Is it A. tick, B. fly, C. flea, or D. mosquito? The answer is D. mosquito.
The mosquito, often dubbed the world's deadliest creature, is responsible for transmitting a host of diseases including dengue fever, encephalitis, and dog heartworm. Despite their tiny size, these buzzing insects have shaped human history through their role in spreading illness across continents.
Question 7. What is the word for male llama? Is it A, a boar, B, a macho, C, a hob, or D, a buck? The answer is B, a macho.
In the world of llamas, a male is called a macho. These macho llamas are known for their protective instincts and often serve as guardians for herds of sheep or goats, fending off predators with surprising bravery. Their name might sound tough, but they're also quite gentle with their human handlers.
Question 8. What is the word for a group of gulls? Is it A, a covey, B, a colony, C, a pace, or D, a sedge? The answer is B, a colony.
A group of gulls is called a colony, and these noisy gatherings can be found nesting on cliffs, islands, and even rooftops. Gulls are highly social birds that communicate through a complex system of calls and body language, making their colonies bustling hubs of avian activity.
Question 9. What is a female panda known as? Is it A, a sow, B, a pen, C, a lioness, or D, a soar? The answer is D, a soar.
A female panda is known as a sow. These gentle giants are incredibly nurturing mothers, often cradling their tiny cubs, who are born blind and weigh about as much as a cup of tea, in their paws for warmth and protection. Despite their size, panda sows have an undeniable tender side.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity may have killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.